guys, what's up? Today me and my brother are going to be opening some fidgets.
So first we got a squishmallow.
Which this one's mine. It's very cute. It's an avocado. We both got avocados. And his is that. Cute.
Right, so I got a
It's very good.
This is the bad side, actually.
Oh. Then I was like, but what I got?
What? This is a $10
I got something too.
And now Haley, not broke, but it was $90-something. Here's the receipt. A lot.
This is the receipt. It was.
She can't read.
I don't know.
$91.08 dollars.
Wow.
$91.08. I got.
Okay, so I got this Mars Mud thing. Let's open it and see what it's in. Put the trash in that bag. And guys, okay, look at it so far.
Gotta get a little sneak peek.
It feels very nice.
And I got this. I got a tongle.
A tangle is
A
what it's
tongle.
called. Let me. That's the tangle. It blows. It
Yes.
blows. Also, I also got a fidget spinner. No, I got this unicorn. That has a unicorn on it.
And I also
It was
got.
made in China.
I also got a crazy snap spinner.
I already have one. But
This
how
one
good it
is actually.
spins.
This one is 5. Fidget thingy.
You mean I paid $3? I paid $3 for this. He also got some other things. I didn't get anything else. He also got this fidget pad.
Ooh, this is actually kind of good.
Do you want to open it, Brittany?
Here we have the fidget thingy. Pretty good.
This is the fidget pad that he got.
Oh, I forgot. I thought it was just a photo. I would have known if it was yellow. Oh, sucks.
I'd show them how it works. Can I try? Very cool. And this
I
is
still
me
have this
trying.
tag. I don't want to ruin my squishmallow.
What does this do?
Thank you. I wanted to take the tag off, but I didn't want to ruin it.
There's also like a different thing.
There is a fireball.
Look. And
That's kind of
these.
cute. Oh, one time I was playing with my friend's tangle. One time I was playing with my friend's tangle. Unfortunately I lost it because in my class everyone on one side of the classroom. Everyone was on one side of the classroom. No one else was on another side. And so I let someone else use it, and then I think they lost it. And then they lost it. No, I'm just kidding. That never happened. That never happened.
That was a really cool story that you had.
It never happened.
Oh.
It was just me.
But my squishmallow is so cute. This is the Mars Mud. Guys,
Ain't you got another?
it is red and pink. It looks like meat.
No, you know what this looks like?
What?
It looks like gummy. Like, you know those, like, gummy worm molds?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you do all the stuff, that's what it looks like. Haley, you want to hear something loud?
No. Sure. What is that?
Don't.
It's like a little zipper. Oh my gosh. Did it fart?
Yeah. The Mars mud hurts.
Oh.
Oh.
No, I guess it's called Fart Mars. Mars farted.
Ew. Okay, guys. So, I wouldn't. The lid's hard to put on. Just demonstrating, like, and then it has to have that go inside of it. And then you have to look around the whole entire thing to make it do.